our motto is building something out of nothing. So I'm just excited about the amount of people that are doing unique things, but with so many different techniques. Everyone, it's Jason at the Makera Group, Open Source 2025 with another creator, Makera. Ryan, thanks so much for dropping by. I want to first just introduce yourself. Where are you from and what types of projects do you like to make? So I'm Brian with the Smuggler's Room. We're based in Denver, Colorado. And our motto is building something out of nothing, which is generally revolved around followers theme. I love that. That's cool. That's right up my alley. I get it with like the nice shirt. So instead of the types of stuff that you create, like what materials, what mediums, what's your process, your workflow? I feel like the inspiration sounds like off the Star Wars and else. Yeah, but then you have this inspiration. What's the next step in like your workflow? Yeah, well, our workflow varies from using acrylic, lasers, the 3D printer design to the CNC machines. Yeah. So we don't have a specific type of material that was going to fit the design of what we're trying to build. So that's really quick. Tell me about your workflow, right? From all these different mediums that you like to work with here. Yeah. So when you think about any of the different types of machines you're using to come up with a finished product, right? So you're either starting with reference material and taking that into a two-dimensional world where you're drawing it, drafting it, or a three-dimensional world where you get a three-dimensional object. Yeah. So you kind of have to determine what the end result product is going to be. If you're going to laser cut it, it's probably 2D. Right. And if you're using like the CNC, then you're going to want a three-dimensional object that you can bring in. So that's kind of your workflow. And then melding all those pieces together. Yeah. When you see all these creators and you see that they chose the right material for the job, right? That they chose some 3D printed parts, some laser cut parts, they mesh them together. Yeah. I love seeing that because like, listen, if you're a maker creator and you have these tools at your disposal, don't work in silos, right? Like choose the right material medium for the job, right? Yep. So last question from me. Open source is huge. There's loud things happening all around it as they speak everywhere. What have you maybe already seen or what are you looking to see that you're here at the show? This is our first open source. Cool. And so coming from comic book conventions to here, this is like make a mecca, right? There's just so much of everything and we didn't have no preconceived notions of what we were going to run into. And it's just like seeing everybody's thoughts out on tables everywhere. So I'm just excited about the amount of people that are doing unique things, but with so many different techniques. That's awesome. That's awesome. So thank you for, of course, dropping by and saying, and of course, check out more of Brian's content here. You can find, again, the smugglersroom.com. And of course, stay tuned for more makers, creators that we collaborate and chat with here at Open Source 2025.